In line with its 21st anniversary in the industry, Tuason Racing, led by JP Tuason himself, held a fun celebration in an event held in Oval Bar, Makati City.
We started in January 1999, and we started by getting involved in go-karts. We taught a couple of people how to get involved in karting. We started a couple of karting clinics with my wife and my younger brother, and it just grew from there. We've never looked back, and it's been a great 21 years. I would have to say that this is now the golden years of TRS. We're doing exactly what we wanted to do 21 years ago. Again, it's been an unbelievable ride, and I'm very, very grateful to all our friends like STV, Tito Butch. Woo! You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. Matt, you guys are amazing. And I hope to get the support for the next 21 years.
Tuason Racing was established in 1999, and for over 2 decades, it has been active in the promotion of motorsports scene in the country through organizing race events and race clinics, as well as promoting road safety by conducting lectures and seminars. The company highlighted that the events and projects they have held over the years are all in cooperation with local car manufacturers, tire, and fuel companies.
Our greatest achievements were being able to lock in with the car manufacturers. We've worked with some great manufacturers over the years. We've worked with Ford, we've worked with Toyota, we've worked with BMW, Peugeot, Aston Martin, and we've worked with a lot of tire companies as well, Bridgestone, Goodyear, GT. We've worked with a lot of fuel companies, Shell, Petron, Phoenix now. And really, again, we're very, very grateful because we have all the support from not only the motorsports community, but also the media, our friends from the media. So guys, thank you, thank you, thank you.
One of the established race events that Tuason Racing has been organizing is the Vios Cup in partnership with Toyota Motor Philippines. Also the One Make One Seater Race series in the country through the Formula V1 Challenge.
We're now on our 7th year, so it's going very strong. We're going to be growing the grid this year with a new car and Formula V1 as well. We're growing the series with new drivers this year, and hopefully we'll go regional as well.
Looking ahead, Tuason Racing is working on esports, which will be launched by the team in April, with the end goal of bringing the Philippines to the FIA Games in November.
So we've got a race class coming up end of March. If you guys are interested, hit us up on Facebook at Tuason Racing and enroll in the classes, and I hope to see you guys at the racetrack. Thank you.